Industrial washing machines, we've been going for about 40 years now. Started off as quite a small concern, family business. I myself started off working for my father on the shop floor, learning a bit of a trade. I then went on to servicing equipment out in the field, predominantly the UK. I then went into sales, which, without blowing my own trumpet, is when the company took off, to be fair, having a dedicated salesperson rather than being reactive. And then I started to run the company when my father retired around about 1999. And we've had quite serious growth ever since, especially export.